This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Instabridge Wi-Fi password map. Instabridge is a fantastic app that connects you to millions of shared Wi-Fi passwords worldwide. It's like having a global key to free internet, helping you stay connected without using your mobile data. The app automatically finds and connects you to available hotspots, making it incredibly convenient for travelers and anyone needing reliable internet access on the go. Once you open Instabridge, you'll see a comprehensive map showing all available Wi-Fi hotspots around you. Each pin on the map represents a shared network, often with its password readily available. You can easily zoom in and out, or use the search bar to look for Wi-Fi in a different city or neighborhood. This feature is incredibly useful for planning your connectivity ahead of time, ensuring you're never without internet access. Connecting to a hotspot is straightforward. Simply tap on a Wi-Fi icon on the map to view its details, including the network name and password. Instabridge will often try to connect you automatically, saving you the hassle of manual entry. If automatic connection isn't possible, you can easily copy the password and paste it into your device's Wi-Fi settings. It's designed for seamless, one-tap access to free internet. Instabridge thrives on its community. You can contribute by adding new Wi-Fi networks and their passwords, helping to expand the map for everyone. If you find a password that's no longer working, you can easily update it, ensuring the information remains accurate and useful. Every contribution, big or small, helps build a more connected world, providing free internet access to millions of users globally. Join the community and share the connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.